Can cats eat dog kibble? The short answer is no. Cats should not eat dog food regularly. While a single stolen bite of dog kibble will not instantly harm your cat, it is not safe as a meal replacement. Cats and dogs have completely different nutritional requirements. Felines are obligate carnivores, which means they need a diet rich in meat protein and specific essential nutrients. Dog food lacks sufficient amounts of taurine, an amino acid that cats cannot produce on their own. Without enough taurine, cats can suffer from severe health issues like heart disease and vision loss. Additionally, dog kibble lacks adequate vitamin A and arachidonic acid, both of which are critical for a cat's survival. Dog food also contains higher levels of carbohydrates that cats cannot digest easily, which can lead to obesity or stomach upset. If you are wondering whether felines can safely consume canine food long term, the answer is definitely negative. If your cat accidentally ate a large amount of dog food and is showing signs of illness, you should consult a veterinarian immediately. Stick to complete and balanced cat food to keep your pet healthy.